So you're going to love this smoked turkey wings recipe. It's made on the Traeger or whatever pellet grill you have. And the first thing you do is pat them dry with paper towel. Then you brush on or rub in some olive oil all over the turkey wings and brush on or sprinkle on any sort of seasoning you'd like. So I use the Fin and Feather rub from Traeger, but you could also use a barbecue rub. It just depends on what flavoring you'd like. For a Thanksgiving main dish, I think going with something more rosemary, seasonal, that type of vibe is a good choice. But barbecue is always good, especially if you're doing like a regular game day cook. So anyways, you rub the smoked turkey wings all over with the rub, and then it's time to pop them in the smoker. So you want to make sure your smoker is set to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And you'll see that I smoked these turkey wings with some smoked turkey legs. That's why they're also there in the fridge. They chilled overnight, but even just being able to chill them for half an hour is good to let some of those spices settle into the meat. Just pop them right on the Traeger grill grates. You want to smoke these for about 3 to 4 hours total, and near the end you'll brush them with butter that's melted to help get the skin crispy. So get the full recipe for this at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!